Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow channel images in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the contacts list. From here we're just going to channels, then we go into a channel, and then in the bottom right corner we have this little settings button. We tap on this, and then at the top, allow channel images. Here we can just tap on the toggle list and select the option that you would like to have. So it's either no or yes, which means that we can either send images in this channel or we can't. And this is where you can set it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.